Today we're going to service the Provent 200. Remove the cap so you can gain access to the element, and then remove the element from the catch can. Then insert the new element, pushing it in till it's nice and snug. Then return the lid to the catch can. And to finish off the service, we're just going to remove any oil from the drain hose. And this was done less than 5,000 Ks ago, so there's probably not going to be much oil in the bottle. For more information on the Provent catch can, contact westernfilters.net.au.